video right now, I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal. Most people still doubt that they can actually work and earn from it. So right now, you can see that I have gotten over 3,000 coin. So for you to be able to place withdrawal on this app, you need to have accumulated about 3,000 coin, which you can see up here. So I've actually gotten to 3,000 coin, and I'm going to show you how I can place this withdrawal. I'm going to receive it straight into my PayPal account. So over here, you can just come over to redeem. You can see that the withdrawal threshold is 3,000 coin, 6,000 coin, 12,000 coin, and 30,000 coin. You can also withdraw via gift card. So before I place this withdrawal, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joaquin. And so what I do on this platform is that I show you different ways which you can earn online. And in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. You can as well join my social media platforms where I share more specific ways you can earn online. You can find the link below the description of this video. So right now, I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal on this app so you can see how you can place a withdrawal straight into your PayPal account. And if you've not created an account on this app, you can find the link down there in the description below. You can also see the link to watch the video on how to create an account for yourself and set up your account. Also, you can find it somewhere around the screen. So right now, what you need to do is that once you've gotten to your 3,000 coin or 6,000 coin, you just go ahead to tap any of which you have currently on your account. For me right now, I have 3,104 coin. So I'm going to be placing a withdrawal right now. I just have to click on this 3,000 coin. Now they said after redeeming a PayPal gift card, your PayPal balance will increase. Please note that cross-border transfer may incur certain fees. Okay, so you just need to click on redeem, then you insert your PayPal address over here. Okay, you paste that and you submit. So in less than few minutes, you'll be getting your funds directly to your PayPal account. Okay, so right now you can see that we've successfully transferred these $5 straight to our PayPal account. You can see the status says in review. Okay, so now when you go back to your account, you can see that our available balance is 104 coin. Okay, so we can keep earning and earning to accumulate more coin and place our withdrawal. So right now, when you go over to your reward, you can see that the placement of the 3,000 coin is in review, and 3,000 coin is equivalent to $5. And so if you've not created an account on this app, you can find the link to create an account below the description of this video to watch how you can create an account for yourself and start working to earn for yourself. Okay, thank you for watching this video to this point. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. Also do well to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group where I share some specific ways you can earn online. You can find all the links below the description of this video.